Hey John, what's up? How you doing? Glad to see you. I'm sorry for not streaming so long, but I really still feel tired usually. Trying to figure out how to use Git and GitHub. That's very important and useful. Do I have a Dark Souls 3 here? Yes, I do. So what I'm gonna do today is essentially just trying to figure out whether oh, this is too big. Just need to figure out whether like the game works as expected. With the practice tool. It's 10301, right? And like try to fix things. Because yeah, it's gonna be like quirks. Yeah, get started. So first of all, if I'm linking the correct yeah, it's good. There was this one that didn't work, this one that didn't work. Um, so it won't work for certain. For going through certain things, but other it will. That's very weird. What's that? Can I access this part? Oh, it's the. I mean, it could just be that. Yeah. Just be that it's impossible to go below, or just like the amount that I have is too little to do that. Okay. Qui that works. This one is probably gonna be tricky. Oh no, that should work. Like all draw hit doesn't work. And these two don't work. This one and this one do work. Yeah. Can I like disable the rumble here? Okay, so first of all, disable AI, so this guy stops doing his shit. These two work very well. That's gonna be base. There are no pointers. Thank you for tray. For character man debug. Okay. I don't get why it does disappear sometime. Right. So need to fire up cheat engine at this point. And our character man DBG is going to be base addresses, right? One 301, so we're here, right? Pointer. Then we browse the memory address. Let me see what's working there. So I have the 6B and 66. So I need to do this plus 66. Until something gives. But nothing gives so far. Okay, so like it's completely like elsewhere. Ehi Ghise, buongiornissimo, come va? Tutto bene, io grazie. Cercando di Fine del supporto per un po' di cose del practice tool di Dark Souls 3 prima di rilasciare sia Elden Ring sia questo. Un po' tosta. Potrebbe essere che ho War Character Man DPG sbagliato. Proviamo questa cosa. Allora, no problem. Array of bytes. Però non vi posso far vedere cheat engine perché cheat engine non viene. Uh, cheat engine is absolutely unusable. Where the fuck is... Uh, dissect data structures. Okay. Define new structure. Okay, so we are definitely not in War Character Man DPG. No, actually. All right. What I'm seeing here is a lot of bullshit. May wanna do like the opposite. Gotta load 108 that I know do like the opposite. Gotta load 108 that I know really.
Well, welcome guys, welcome to the stream. And of course, thank you LJ for bringing
Hey John, what's up? How you doing? Glad to see you. I'm sorry for not streaming so long, but I really still feel tired usually. Trying to figure out how to use Git and GitHub. That's very important and useful. Do I have a Dark Souls 3 here? Yes, I do. So what I'm gonna do today is essentially just trying to figure out whether oh, this is too big. Just need to figure out whether like the game works as expected. With the practice tool. It's 10301, right? And like try to fix things. Because yeah, it's gonna be like quirks. So first of all, if I'm linking the correct yeah, it's good. If there was this one that didn't work, this one that didn't work. For certain for going through certain things, but other it will. That's very weird. What's that? Can I access this part? Oh, it's the... I mean, it could just be that... yeah. It could be that it's impossible to go below, or just like the amount that I have is too little to do that. Okay. Okay, that works. This one is probably gonna be tricky. All the damage should work. Like all draw hit doesn't work. And these two don't work. This one and this one do work. Yeah. Can I like disable the rumble here? Okay, so first of all, disable AI, so this guy stops doing his shit. These two work very well. That's gonna be base. There are no pointers. Thank you for tray. For character man debug. Okay. I don't get why it does disappear sometime. Right. So need to fire up cheat engine at this point. And our character man DBG is going to be base addresses, right? One 301, so we're here, right? Pointer. Then we browse the memory address. Let me see what's working there. So I have the 6B and 66. So I need to do this plus 66. Start setting everything to 1. Until something gives. But nothing gives so far. Okay, so like it's completely like elsewhere. Ehi Ghise, buongiornissimo, come va? Tutto bene, io grazie. Cercando di finire il supporto per un po' di cose del practice tool di Dark Souls 3 prima di rilasciare sia Elden Ring sia questo. Un po' tosta. Potrebbe essere che ho Work Character Man DPG sbagliato. Proviamo questa cosa. Allora, no problem. Array of bytes. Non vi posso far vedere cheat engine perché cheat engine non viene. Uh, cheat engine is absolutely unusable. Where the fuck is... dissect data structures. Okay. Define new structure. Okay, so we are definitely not in Work Character Man DPG. No, actually. Hey John, what's up? How you doing? Great to see you. I'm sorry for not streaming so long, but I really still feel tired usually. Trying to figure out how to use Git and GitHub. That's very important and useful. Do I have a Dark Souls 3 here? Yes, I do. So what I'm gonna do today is essentially just Essentially just trying to figure out whether... oh, this is too big. Just need to figure out whether, like, the game works as expected. With the practice tool. It's 10301, right? And like try to fix things. Because yeah, it's gonna be like quirks. Yeah, get started. So first of all, if I'm linking the correct... yeah, it's good. There was this one that didn't work, this one that didn't work. So it won't work for certain... for going through certain things, but other it will. That's very weird. What's that? Can I access this part? Oh, it's the... I mean, I could just be that... yeah. Just be that it's impossible to go below, or just like the amount that I have is too little to do that. Okay. Okay, that works. This one is probably gonna be tricky. Oh no, that should work. Like all draw hit doesn't work, and these two don't work. This one and this one do work. Yeah. Can I like disable the rumble here? Okay, so first of all, disable AI, so this guy stops doing his shit. These two work very well. That's gonna be base, there are no pointers. Make it for tray. Or character man debug. Okay. I don't get why it does disappear sometime. Right. So need to fire up cheat engine at this point. And our character man DBG is going to be base addresses, right? One 301, so we're here, right? Pointer. Then we browse the memory address. Let me see what's working there. So I have the 6B and 66. So I need to do this plus 66. Start setting everything to 1. Until something gives. But nothing gives so far. Okay, so like it's completely like elsewhere. Ehi Ghise, buongiornissimo, come va? Tutto bene, io grazie. Cercando di finire il supporto per un po' di cose del practice tool di Dark Souls 3 prima di rilasciare sia Elden Ring sia questo. Un po' tosta. Potrebbe essere che ho War Character Man DBG sbagliato. Proviamo questa cosa. Allora, no problem. Array of bytes. Però non vi posso far vedere cheat engine perché cheat engine non viene. Cheat engine is absolutely unusable. Where the fuck is... dissect data structures. Okay. Define new structure. Okay, so we are definitely not in work character man DBG. No, actually. All right. What I'm seeing here is a lot of bullshit. May wanna do like the opposite. Got a load 108 that I know really well. Gonna hook that in cheat engine again. Then I'm gonna go back and 108. Oh, cheat engine actually works, but I want a different window actually. Okay, I want this, because that's where we're gonna do most of the work today. Define new structure. And gonna create this new address. That's where we're interested in. Find new structure. Work character man debug implementation, which should have oh shit. I would like to have like a bit. Oh, there we go. Don't need all that shit. Like I know that I go 66 from here, right? Back here and below everything else. Below the Exos 3 as well. Terman DBG. Okay, 0. Okay, we do one step. So we just get here and 66 should be offset 66 1 byte. And the other is 6B. Also 1 byte. At 1. Also set to 1. See, okay, we have IK foot ray. So what this looks like is, like unfortunately we can have two. I will make a screenshot. And I will have to refer to that in a bit when I go back and reload 103. And then I go back here and I load, where the fuck is it? Up to top, this bad boy here, over here. Then again, sec data and structures. I had this spinning right now. We'll put in this address, define new structure. Actually, let's make this a pointer. It's gonna be easier. Should be okay. See, like it's you can see that, but it's calling it by its name, by its RTTI name, which is good. And so I had shit around here, but I can see like the stuff has changed considerably. I would hope, like, let me go back and refer to that screenshot that I just made. Screenshots. All right. So what this says word info owner. There was like a lot of stuff. Okay, word info owner is the same address, so we're cool with that. Then 2C starts being a float. 44, 48. Then 54 is interpreted as a float, but maybe it's just because it's 0. Then a double 58. Like 60 should be a pointer, but it's not a pointer because it's 0. Like, yeah, we're starting seeing some differences over here, which you guys clearly cannot see because I have Dark Souls in front. It's so hard to manage this kind of stuff. So yeah, I wanna see like whether there is. Let's see if I can find the value of 100 somewhere. Because it was definitely there, unless it's been like moved to some other yeah, I'm completely not seeing the same kind of data. I think they changed this like pretty early. Like literally at first release. Because it's completely different. Hey Wasted, what's up? Thank you again for all the help the other day, because it's been so useful. I'm now trying to find out in 103 some fields in word character imp, how I will call it that way. Oh, look at this. There is actually like more all no update, all no stamina, consume. Fuck. Oh, draw foot IK. This address here, this is, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it could be white table, yeah, it's 0. But I mean, like, it has so many, like, strings as well. I guess this normal. Like, this looks more like a V table. I mean, not like I know what a V table looks like, but those look like offsets. Nice. So basically, there are these strings that I don't know why are like split in this way, and they have like a 0 byte in the middle. Let's browse this memory region. Okay, yeah, there is a bunch of shit. It's because of the encoding. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. Because that has 0 in the middles. Amazing. Okay, so like what do these fields stand for? Exabytes, maybe UTF encoded. I think it's UTF-16, knowing Windows. Update num and but what's these two? Sorry, let me add this. I don't know if you guys can see anything decently here. Probably not. But yeah, I see like between this word and this word there are 2 bytes that I would suppose are like string terminator, either that or length indicators, but length prefixes, but I don't think so. This is somehow part of RTI or something, okay. So like basically what they're telling me is that there is one function here, this is a function, and that's it. That the D1 method that I wanted to make a word character man dbg imp, because like it immediately starts, like just from here. There's this pointer here. And then immediately starts with the strings. Cool. Cool. I think you can do this. Actually, let's can I like disassemble or not? That doesn't look like a function. Yeah, like yeah, this is probably not a function. So it's a vtable of a vtable, or maybe this is the vtable, which would make sense. Like maybe it's a pointer to a vtable. Cute smiley face. Yeah, this one. No, the very top level is a pointer to the object, and it's basically this. Let me type it in chat. I mean, maybe it's just because this is imp. Maybe that's word character man dbg, and this is another table for something else. Like, I mean, I don't know the same level as the object. Because I mean, I don't know. It could be like that there is like a hierarchy of interfaces, and then maybe I don't know. I don't know honestly about this, but maybe it could make sense to have nested vtables. But anyway, like I'm not even looking for the vtable. I'm looking for a value that was around here. Like basically the IK footray thing, which was at offset 6C ever since 104, I think. It was a byte. And looked like a byte field, but it doesn't look like there are byte fields around here. Let me try, I mean, let me try put everything to 1 here and see if something changes. Yeah. Yeah, definitely that was not it. I mean, something did change, right? Let's try this. This does look like a byte field. This v3f don't look like that to me. Yeah. Crashed again. I think we're like way beyond because experiment support for this call, poggers, nightly already. Yeah, that would be cool. And they definitely have been like receptive to that kind of shit. Uh, I don't know what to do here. I don't know where to find that address. Cause like it doesn't look like. Let me also add this. This one, please. No. Won't allow me. Fucking hell. I'm looking for something that's in all of the other patches, but in like 103. Like actually, you know, let's start up. Maybe easier to do that way. 104. In 104.01. Let me group C. So I can you guys can see this. Yeah, I was. I mean, I was actually like trying to do. So I'm gonna get this address first, and then back in C. Okay, John, thank you for stopping by as usual. Love you. Have a good day. So gonna actually word 103, and it's gonna be (104). It's gonna be just a pointer. Oops, of course. Browse this memory region, and it's gonna be like here. This is fucking like gross. That I have, like I cannot select all with the... Okay, so we have it. And like I think... Okay, no, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I add the element and it should be 6C, right? 6.6 and 6B, sorry, not 6C. It's gonna be 1 byte. Let's name it, otherwise I forget. And also gonna be IK for tray at 6B. Okay, so we have these two. But okay, clearly they're not correct. Because I'm not seeing the foot ray. Okay, so we're back to square one, really. Shit. Let's fire up 108 then. Okay. 108, and it's gonna be a pointer. First, if we... data structures. call it 108. Okay, see, like this is different. And I can add the element, and 66 is gonna be all draw hit. Gonna be 1 byte. Gonna make this hide use color. Okay, see, like if I set this to 1, dude. It's not working, what the fuck? Because it's not 6C, but it's... I am an IRL anus, because it's 6B. Some byte. Okay. Like you guys cannot see it now, but... Okay, I added this address list, and now I find out what accesses this address. Like there are 2 functions here. Show the assembler. This is this function here, right? It's this one or this one. The problem is that I mean, what do I do? Do I do like a big AOB here, like I copy all this shit and try to match this to something else in 103? Yeah. And also the oh fuck. And also especially this 6B, because that offset is like what I'm scared of here is that copy. Like struct positions and whatnot. They also changed the how do I say it? Just 1 second, because I'm like, it's insanely. Nice job. Managed. Just 1 second, because like it's incredibly hard to like rename, like remove the stuff from the AOB, like to make the AOB. We have tonight before 24 and remove this shit. Okay, we should have our AOB finally. So let me kill the game and reopen. I guess let's start with 103 since we were working on 103 before. Just 1 second, sorry, like let me like spend a couple of minutes to like reorganize this shit in a way that you guys can see something. Otherwise it's pointless. Like we don't really need much more than this window in the first place. Also this okay, we may want to have a bit wider. No, this is enough. This is enough definitely for me. Actually even less than that. That's gonna work. Oh no. Can make this a bit smaller, I guess. Come on! Also move this here and make it considerably smaller. This should do it, I guess. Okay, this is awful to work with, like really terrible, but it makes my stream look like a dick, but it's fine. Move this out here. Insane. Okay, lock everything down, since we're gonna like spend considerable amount of time in here. So I found these two things here. Could be 5B. Or let's disassemble. Okay. I found two instances, so like something suggests me that this could be like 5B. Oops. Let's see. Okay, it's not that though. Okay, looks like it's not it. But then again, see, maybe they just moved the. It's exactly the same. See? But yeah, also the code looks very like identical. Randman is like it looks like it's this one. I don't know, like it looks like it's like completely disabled. Like it looks like those two functions are like duplicated. Put a breakpoint, yeah. Yeah, it's executed instantly. I got every frame as well. And it is like definitely like the same code. Oh, but there is a 67 here. What if I do 67? Like, let's move. Okay, now we are out of the weeds there. Yeah, I don't know. Think 67 again. So yeah, definitely think that this is the right section of code. It's too fucking bad, man. I think we're gonna have to give up on this for earlier patches. Oh well. We tried. Like, chances are they... No, does this work less than 103? No, 103 is the first one available. Like 103 is like the first PC release. They did it worse than Elden Ring, starting with 102. I mean, oh, fuck. Disable C. Not gonna argue with that. I mean, I see like the thing is that these things are still there, and these one are I should make an alias for this. Base HBD, which was, I mean, I picked up this I picked up this off of AOBs, but at this point, I should probably just rename those with their RTTI name. This HBD, which is where is this memory region? Actually gonna be pointer. Okay. Cheat engine froze. Thank you. Absolutely fucking amazing. Okay, no, it did work. But yeah, probably this is not the right structure, because... Okay, so we find the thing, and so base HBD. Yeah, RTTI is very important, I think. Debug sphere 1 and 30. So it's gonna be here and at 30. Insta crash, nice. We don't have an RTTI name for this shit. Brilliant. Alright. Talk to you in a bit. Really can't do anything better here than Can I have to give up on this too? This works like a charm. This value worked perfectly. This I've already checked. This is completely fucked up. Position. Okay, so I mixed these things. Then again, I just 1, 0, oops. 1, 2, and this is gonna be 3. Okay, eject. Let's see if this works.